Have you ever found yourself typing in a text box only to wonder how wide your text actually is? It can be frustrating when you need precise measurements for your input. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we are going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. You want to know the width of the text you are typing in real time, and it can be tricky when the standard methods just don't cut it. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I get the width of the text I am typing in an input field?" They provided a simple HTML input element, but struggled to measure the text width dynamically. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? The problem arises because the methods you tried only give you the width of the input field itself, not the text inside it. We need a way to measure the text as it changes. Let's break it down step by step. And make sure to stick around. I have a neat trick at the end that will help you measure text width effortlessly. You won't want to miss it. To get the width of the text entered in the input field, the user should first create a function that calculates the width based on the current input value. Next, the user should add an event listener to the input field. This listener will trigger the width calculation every time the user types something. Now, the user can test the functionality. As they type in the input field, the width of the entered text will be logged to the console. Finally, if the user wants to display the width on the web page, they can update an element's width or text content based on the calculated width. Fun fact, did you know that the width of text can vary significantly based on the font and size? That's why measuring it accurately is so important. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves creating a function to calculate the width of the input text. This function takes the font size and the text value as parameters, creates a temporary div element, and measures its width based on the entered text. Here's the neat trick I promised. You can create a reusable function that handles this measurement for you. This way, you can easily get the text width whenever you need it without repeating code. And there you have it. You can now measure the width of the text you are typing in real time. Remember, coding is all about finding solutions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.